Hi, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to make a fairly straightforward Kuksa cup from a piece of birchwood, or in this case a piece of sycamore, and all we're going to use are these tools. So of course we have the carpenter's axe, and you can tell it's a carpenter's axe. It has this very wide flare and a very fine blade called the hollow grind. It's a very sharp. Second very important tool, and what differentiates bowl making from spoon carving, is the use of this gouge. This is a very fine gouge. It's mainly made by Ashley Isles. It's extremely sharp, and it has this bevel here at the back. Very strong blade. We also have some finer tools. We have a rather relaxed curved knife that we use for trimming up some of the outside that we can't reach by the other tool, the push knife. Now it's really the push knife, so it's kind of like a workhorse for getting the outside of your Kuksa bowl carved nice and cleanly. This is really just for getting in behind the handle and making it nicer. And finally, a rather more crooked blade for getting into some of the areas inside the bowl that you may have missed when you were doing your gouge work. Now another tool which we've also found to be essential and is kept here at the back of this workshop is one of my favourite tools. This is called a twicker cam, and in fact this is invented in Wales. It's made in Wales by a maker there, and essentially it is a fantastic tool for making bowls and cups. The Welsh, I should say, well, they've been making bowls for centuries, and it's very fitting that they should have come up with such a tool. Now this tool gives a lot of torque, a lot of ability to really get inside your bowl, and the twisting action and the strength that you can get with both hands means that you can really easily gouge out a nice smooth interior to your Kuksa. Okay, the tools. What you also need is plenty of strong coffee and some snacks, because this is going to take quite a while to do.